Woo!
Oh shit.
What's happening? We're up here at Heavenly. There's actually a lot of people here. We all know why it's closed. But yeah, we're gonna go hiking. Tough Outfitter just sent another box. Some fresh mitts, some fresh goggles. Maybe matches the helmet a little better. But because of how bright it is today, I don't know, maybe we'll try out the new ones. And a sweet beanie. All right, we're gonna go on a hike, test some stuff out. All right, we got another box from Tough Outfitters. What we got today? Oh, we got a nice beanie. I will definitely wear that. Oh no! A receipt. Oh, nice. Some green goggles to match my helmet a little better. That's sweet. More for like the cloudy pow days. The ski goggles. Tough Outfitters. Avoid sharp objects. Oh, it looks like same ones, a little different. Oh, they're nice. Nice. Oh, it's like dark green. Hello. All right, so these new goggles, they almost feel like they have like polarization to them. It like makes stuff look a little different, but it makes the like ice stand out. Like fresh snow looks different than ice. And the gloves, they're golden. I love them. They're so warm. It's pretty cold out here. Still kind of snowing. See now, when I say hike to ride, I'm actually hiking. No split board, no snowshoe, boot pack, carrying my board, no backpack. Man, I must be stupid. I haven't hiked in so long. So out of shape, dying. But now we have at least a stair pack. It's not blazing fresh. My run. I'm all strapped in, ready for my first run of quarantine. Shasta girl's ready to go. He's almost here. We got some features. Not building any lips. We'll find features. I wish I brought a selfie pole. I just have to hold it with my hand. We're dropping. Quarantine run 1. Oh! Don't even know where I want to go. Oh man, got to figure that out. Yeah, girl. Cliff drop, Shasta, good job. Now I don't know where any of those rocks and stumps are. Oh, here's a stump. Should have went that way. Ooh, yeah, don't go off that. It doesn't have a landing. Did it? One run. That was a lot of work, but it was fun.
That was kind of.
The stair steps are there now. Oh, yeah. Just posted up on our little cliff. Knows we're going back to it. So second time around, it only took about 5 minutes to hike up our trail. It's a lot easier when it's already been packed down. But we got this like rock to stump thing. Like jump over a branch, tap a stump, I don't know. We're gonna have to set up some good like lift for that so it's all smooth and nice. And we'll just make a little park, find rock drops and jumps. I think Shasta feels ready for me to ride. Look at, look at. Oh my gosh. Oh, that landing though. I think I have to try it right over the branch. Right over the branch. Maybe I'll just set up the GoPro right here the first time. Hey, what are you doing? Oh no! Why you gotta move the GoPro, Shasta girl? Why you gotta move the GoPro? I think we're just gonna drop in from that little thing, go around this tree and boost over. We're holding. That was awesome. Exactly what I wanted. We're gonna go with the toss to Flea. Here we go. Found it. How was that? That was good. I liked it. Fun. It's like quick, but it's fun. Oh shit. That was too stiff of a landing. Oh man. Woo! Anything filming? Turn on now. Is it? Now it turned on. That's it. Done for the day. Tired. Relax time. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Tough Outerwear, for all the gear. Stay tuned for more.